Hello everyone, Joseph Radzwion IV, your trusted attorney with Radzwion Law PLLC. Today talking to you about do-it-yourself estate plans, or maybe you've hired an attorney who doesn't regularly practice estate planning law and has drafted documents for you. So I'll give you an example of both. In Michigan, in order for an estate plan, for documents to be valid under the law, there are going to be specific provisions of the law that are to be quoted in each document. If you go on any of your online services where you do it yourself, those templates, the provisions the law requires may not be in those documents. So I caution you to use online services in preparing your own estate plan. The second is, just because you hire an attorney doesn't mean that they execute the documents the proper way. Now, maybe the attorney has included all of the provisions required by the law to make those documents valid. However, the attorney doesn't have you execute them properly. And what I mean by that is they don't have you sign them or have witnesses or notary or file them in the proper manner. So if you have an estate plan and you've either done it yourself or you're thinking about doing it yourself, I caution you to use online services because they might not be in compliance with Michigan law. They're typically pretty generic in nature. The second is, if you do have an estate plan, just because you had an attorney draft it doesn't mean that it is or will be considered valid under Michigan law based on how you execute that document, how it was signed, if there were witnesses. I was speaking with an individual just recently about their estate plan, and it seemed to me that they paid an attorney to have it done. However, the documents were invalid because there were a lot of signatures that were missing on the execution portion of that document. So I hope this video finds you well. If you have questions, please put them in the comments below, and we will see you next time.